Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today I'm really excited because it's Boxycharm November. So this is what we got. Here's the card. Gold Digger. Oh, that was hilarious. So basically this time I got a Cover FX glitter drops in shade Nova, which is $44. Ace Beauty Grandiosi palette, I don't really know how to say that word, for $24.99. Luxie Luminous Eye Set for $21. Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner for $5. And the Lashaholic Lashes Instaglam False Eyelashes for $14.99. I have a video of how to apply false lashes, so I will link that down below, and I will also put a card up. I don't know which side it goes on, but it's that little like eye thing that you see like at the top sometimes pop up where like words pop up. Those are like videos or playlists that you guys can click for different videos, but I will put a card up for how to apply your false lashes, so I'll do the lashes off camera. So here's the eyeliner. It actually is like glittery. It does have like glitter in it. And here are the lashes. They look really beautiful. Here is the pack of brushes. I wanted to keep them in the pack, but I did wash them already. So these are actually like mini brushes, not like the size of the thing, but the actual size of the brushes. You see how they're like kind of smaller than normal, but I think they'd be really good. I do really need like more detailing type of brushes, so I'm really excited to use these because all my brushes are kind of like big and fluffy, so I needed more like detailed brushes, so I'm really excited about that. Then here's the Ace Beauty palette. Ooh, she gorgeous. So it looks like a really good fall cranberries colors type of palette. The best for last, the Cover FX glitter drops. So excited about those. Beautiful. So there's like multiple ways you can use these. If you guys would like me to do a video on like different ways you can use these drops, definitely let me know. But that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can really tell. Oh yeah, look at that shine. So now I'm gonna like kind of blend it out a little bit so you guys can see like what it looks like shiny. I'm gonna start off with an eyeshadow look with the brushes. This is they're Luxie Mini Tapered, the Mini Flat Angled, Mini Round, and Mini Angled. Going with Patchouli, I think is how you say that. It seems like just kind of like a skin tone color. And I'm just gonna put that all over both my lids. I do not have a primer on or anything. I kind of wanted to see how these shadows performed on their own. These brushes feel, well, I don't know about the other ones, but this one feels like really soft and like a good brush, so that's nice. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Clove, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. Ooh, that's really pretty. Wow, I really like that shade. And I love Luxie brushes. I got introduced to Luxie brushes from like Ipsy and Boxycharm, and I've never been disappointed by a Luxie brush, and these seem to be working so far. I've only used this one, but I haven't been disappointed with a Luxie brush, so I didn't think I would be. They blend out the shadows really well and it looks really nice. Cute. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Poppy, and I'm gonna use a different brush. This one's kind of like angled a little bit, and I feel like it'll help it like go really detailed in like the crease, like right here. I'm not used to having a brush like this, so it'll take some getting used to of how to actually use these. But I feel like it's pretty good at like packing it on versus like swiping it. So I'd probably have to go in with the tapered one again just to like fluff it and blend it out more, but for like actually applying the shadow, I think it did a good job. But I am gonna have to go back in with the fluffy brush and blend it out a little bit. Like myrtle, I believe is how you say that. And I'm just gonna take that on the finger and put that all over the lid. A little more of a natural look, I can go in with the shade Cinnamon and put that on the crease and the lid, except for not in the center. I'm gonna put that in the crease and a little bit above. I do above the crease because of my eye shape, so if you have a different eye shape than me, maybe that wouldn't look flattering on you, but I always do above the crease because my crease is like sunk in. So I just wanted to explain to you why I always do in the crease and a little bit above. And I'll take Primrose and put that all over the lid. So those are quick, simple looks. I like the brushes and I really like the palette too, so cool. That's exciting. I've never heard of this brand, so that's nice. Now I'm gonna use the glitter eyeliner. So I like to say in all of my Boxycharm videos that this is all like first impressions unless I say otherwise. So none of this stuff I've tried before. So just keep that in mind. So I could love it right now, hate it later, and then also some products that work for me may not work for you and vice versa. So just judge how you feel about it if you get it. Yeah, I just like to always mention that. And I also want to say don't feel like you have to buy something because I recommend it. It's just if you are looking for some type of product that's like it and you think you need it in your collection, definitely go get it. But if not, then it's okay. I'm just reviewing these products for you. So here's the eyeliner. It does, like, the glitter shows up, but not as like glittery as it did like on my hand. Oh, I kind of wiped it off, but it did look more intense like in the swatch versus like actually on the eyes, but you do kind of still see the glitter. Jante Blue's eyeliners they're pretty good. They're not the best, but they're not the worst, you know what I mean? Like they aren't really like waterproof or anything, so they do kind of run. So I don't think that one was the one that we tried last time from Boxycharm was waterproof. I'm just taking the lashes out of the box, by the way, if you were wondering why I was looking down. Now I'm going to put the lashes on. So these lashes seem like very dramatic, but I think they look really pretty, so I definitely like them. I'll definitely wear them again. And now the glitter drops. So I feel like I can use this as a highlighter, even though I don't really have any other face makeup on. I kind of just want to show you like how blinding they are. But I can add highlight even though I don't have any other makeup on. It'll be okay. Well, like I said, if you guys would like me to do a video showing you other ways to use this besides highlighter, definitely let me know, because I have many ways that I think you could use these. So I'm basically just gonna dot it on there and pat it out. So you could definitely use this before or after makeup, but that's what it looks like. I hope you guys can see it as like intensely as I can. But yeah, so this is like glitter, so it's not exactly, it is a highlighter, but it's like kind of like glitter, you know what I mean? So it is a little different than a normal highlighter, but it's glitter, so you can use it for other things. So my final thoughts about everything, I actually really like everything so far. The lashes, the eyeshadow brushes, the eyeshadow palette, the eyeliner. So everything was really nice this month. I'm really excited about next month because it's Boxy Luxe, so that'll be cool. It'll be even more products, so that'll be exciting. But yeah, I so far like everything, and make sure you check the description box because it'll tell you how I'm still feeling about everything after I try them out a little bit longer. This is just first impressions, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at GlamGirl Gray. See you next time.